Namaste. So the next is the sympathetic division. The division innervate more organ and is more complex than the parasympathetic. A basic organization. The sympathetic system innervate the and integument, its gland, and the erector pili in addition to internal organ and blood vessels. There is also more ganglia due to the preganglionic and postganglionic cell body. So you can see the different organ how they are attached to the different ganglia. Then sympathetic trunk ganglia. There are 22 to 24 sympathetic trunk ganglia that run along the side of the intervertebral column next to the centrum in a vertical direction from neck to pelvis. The ganglia connect to long sympathetic chain on sympathetic trunk, so the overall appearance a bead chain. The side of ganglia connect to spinal nerves running horizontally by gray and white rami communicate. Thus, the axon of the postganglionic neuron join the spinal nerves. Prevertebral ganglia. Some ganglia does not lie on the sides of the vertebral column but anterior to it along a large abdominal arteries. They are not paired and occur only in the abdomen and the pelvis region. So next is the sympathetic pathway. Typically the preganglionic neurons send the axon from the spinal cord out through the ventral root to spinal nerve to white ramus communicate into the sympathetic trunk where it synapses with the postganglionic neuron that send its axon through the gray communicates out through the spinal nerves and finally to the organ it innervates. Role of the adrenal medulla in the synaptic division. A gland that sits on the superior aspect of the kidney. It releases norepinephrine, noradrenaline, and epinephrine, adrenaline into the bloodstream to excite the blood in the time of fight, flight, or fright response. Next is the central control of the autonomic nervous system. The CNS control the activity of ANS, brain system, and spinal cord. Medulla oblongata regulate the heart rate, blood pressure, digestive activity. The midbrain control the sympathetic response to fear. The spinal cord control the visceral reflexes. Next is hypothalamus and amygdala. The hypothalamus is the main integration center of the ANS, and the amygdala coordinate the sympathetic learned fear response. Cerebral cortex voluntary control of ANS has happened via the mediation when deep thought of the relaxation active the lymph system, which is turn activates the hypothalamus to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. Throughout of the fightful experience means stimulate the amygdala to activate the hypothalamus that activate the sympathetic nervous system. Next is the visceral sensory neuron. Receptor in the visceral are the free dendrites and dendritic ends that send afferent signal caused by the stretching, temperature, and chemical change and irritation. Next is the visceral reflexes. These are also called the peripheral reflexes because they may not involve the CNS. A visceral sensory branch may synapse with the postganglionic motor neurons in the sympathetic ganglia. This makes the system dependent of the CNS control. A map, you can see a map of the referred pain. These are the skin or body region that present pain when there is a visceral pain. The organ and the site of referred pain are innervated by the same nerve. Heart, lungs, diaphragm, liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, ovary, colon, kidney, urinary bladder, and urethra. You can see there. So here we have completed this whole topic of CNS, ANS, and the different nerves and neural control. So hope you will understand this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.